One of the main reasons we perform the ibadat is to gain Allah's pleasure. And it will be great if we can find out if Allah is pleased with me or not. Today, inshaAllah ta'ala, we will mention 4 signs that will indicate that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with His abd. The first sign, the ulama said, if you want to know your status with Allah, look what Allah made you busy with. So if I want to know if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with me, then let's check what am I busy with during the day, during my life. If you want to summarize this, when Allah make it easy for you to perform the ibadat, that's a major sign that Allah is pleased with you. That is the first sign. Second, another sign that Allah is pleased with us is to ask ourselves, am I pleased with Allah? In the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, رَضِيَ اللَّهُ عَنْهُمْ وَرَضُوا عَنْهُ. Allah is pleased with them and they are pleased with Allah. So another sign, if Allah is pleased with us, we have to check ourselves. Are we pleased with whatever Allah decreed? Do we have complete trust that whatever Allah decreed in my life, it is the best thing for me, whether I see it or not? If you are, that's a great sign that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with you. So when we are happy with the hardship, the same way we are happy with the blessing, that means we are pleased with whatever Allah decreed. Third sign to know if Allah is pleased with us, check your relationship with your parents. Is your father pleased with you? Is your mother pleased with you? I'm talking about a righteous father and a righteous mother that fear Allah Azza wa Jal. Are they pleased with you? If they are, that's a great sign that Allah is pleased with you. Why? What's the evidence? قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم رضا الرب في رضا الوالد وسخط الرب في سخط الوالد. The pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal is by the pleasure of the father and the mother. And the anger of Allah Azza wa Jal is by the anger of the father or the mother. So, my righteous parents who fear Allah Azza wa Jal are pleased with me, they are happy with me, they're always making dua for me. That is a sign that Allah is pleased with me. So this is the third sign. The fourth and the last sign to know if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala pleased with us is to check how people treat us in this dunya. If the people love you, if the people respect you, if the people honor you all the time and you're a righteous person, that's a sign that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you and Allah is pleased with you. The hadith is in Bukhari. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us, when Allah loves someone, He informs Jibreel, Ya Jibreel, I love so and so, so love him. So Jibreel will love him. And Jibreel will notify all the inhabitants of the heaven that Allah loves so and so, so love him. So all the angels will love that person. And then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he will find acceptance on earth. Imam al-Nawawi, when rahimahullah, when he's explaining what does it mean to find acceptance on earth, it means that the people will love him and they are pleased with him and their hearts are inclined towards him. Subhanallah. So if you feel people always love you, always mention your name with goodness, when they see you they remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when they see you they remember to do something good, that's a great sign that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you and Allah is pleased with you and He put your love in the people's hearts. And I'm talking about, of course, the righteous, the good people. They all love you and they're always praising you. So these are 4 signs that if we have them, it indicates, inshaAllah, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with us. I ask Allah Azza wa Jal to be pleased with me and to be pleased with you, to be pleased with all the people that we love and the people that love us.